Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story. The title of my story is Tom's Parrot, written by Nicholas Horsburgh. This is Tom. Tom has a parrot. The parrot is green. Can you see Tom's parrot? It is sitting in a tree. Tom calls his parrot, Polly, Polly, come here, Polly. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again, Polly, come here, Polly, says Tom. The parrot does not come. Tom calls again, Polly, come here, he says. The parrot does not come. Tom goes to his mom. Can I have a mango, ma'am? Says Tom. Yes, Tom, says Tom's mom. Tom goes to find Polly. Polly is sitting in the tree. Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes to Tom. The parrot picks the mango. Tom is happy. Polly the